Camping trips offer a chance to reconnect with nature and create unforgettable memories. But having the right gear can truly elevate your experience. In this video, we'll explore 8 coolest camping gear and gadgets designed to enhance every aspect of your outdoor adventure. Each item showcases the latest advancements in camping technology, ensuring your next trip is both comfortable and convenient. Get ready to discover how these tools will transform your camping experience. The Maracniv Garberg Full-Tang Fixed Blade Knife positions itself as a one-stop solution for any cutting task. Its premium blade provides 4.3 inches of blackened high-carbon steel, offering exceptional strength and resilience. A black DLC coating adds a layer of protection against rust and minimizes unwanted reflections in the field. The ergonomic handle, crafted from textured polymer, ensures a secure grip in all weather conditions, while the finger guard prioritizes safety during use. Measuring at 9 inches overall, the Garberg finds a balance between maneuverability and power. Weighing in at just 0.6 pounds with the sheath included, it won't overburden your pack. The ambidextrous sheath provides convenient carry for both right and left-handed users. The Vario 33 OS by Badlands Gear strikes a balance between versatility and functionality as part of their modular Vario system. This 300 cubic inch pack provides durable, water-resistant KXO50 fabric, making it ideal for rugged treks. Accessing gear is a breeze thanks to the wide mouth opening and side access zippers. Hunters will appreciate the ability to attach the optional ultralight batwing for rifle or bow transport using the T-hook system. While the Vario 33 OS itself is feature-rich, it's important to note that the load-bearing frame is sold separately, making it crucial to consider your entire system for optimal comfort and weight distribution. The EST Gear Survival Shovel is a comprehensive tool for backpackers and overlanders. It highlights its flexibility for tasks like digging, chopping wood, and clearing brush. The core shovel is crafted from heat-treated high-carbon steel for a rust-resistant blade with an aerospace-grade aluminum handle, prioritizing both strength and keeping weight in check. This shovel transcends its core function by transforming into a camping axe, saw, knife, and even a bottle opener. While this versatility is tempting, it's important to weigh the added weight against carrying separate, specialized tools. The Hike and Chore 4-in-1 camping utensils is a compact and convenient option for backpackers and campers. This stainless steel set includes a spoon, fork, knife, and bottle opener, all folded into a pocket-sized and lightweight unit. The included pouch makes it easy to store and carry, while the polished stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance. This utensil set is a perfect replacement for flimsy plastic cutlery, allowing you to enjoy camp meals while minimizing waste. The Jackery Explorer 100 Plus is a compact and powerful portable power station ideal for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Despite its palm-sized design, it provides a 99 watt-hour capacity capable of charging your phone multiple times or a laptop once. Equipped with 2 USB-C PD ports and a USB-A port, it can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. This versatile station offers rapid recharging means from 0 to 70% in 1 hour and can be further powered by a compatible solar panel for off-the-grid adventures. The Explorer 100 Plus prioritizes safety with a durable LFP battery and complies with airline regulations for carry-on luggage, which makes it a reliable companion for any journey. The Disco Bed Large with organizers offers versatility and comfort for campers and guests. This cot features a durable steel frame that can be configured as 2 single beds, stacked bunks, or even a convenient bench, all without requiring tools. The anti-rust frame ensures stability on uneven ground, while the high-grade polyester sleeping deck conforms to your body for surprising comfort, eliminating the need for an additional mattress. With its multiple configurations and user-friendly design, the Disco Bed Large is a valuable addition to any camping trip or for creating extra sleeping arrangements at home. The Platypus Quick Draw 1-liter filter system prioritizes ease of use and backcountry performance for hikers and backpackers. This ultralight system features a 1-liter dirty reservoir with a wide mouth opening for easy filling, and it connects to the filter via versatile threads that also work with standard water bottles. The filter itself provides a fast flow rate which is 3 liters per minute and removes 99.99% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa. For added convenience, the clean water output can connect to either a drink cap or a cap that links to compatible bottles. This quick draw system is also easy to maintain with shake-to-clean functionality and back-flushing capabilities to ensure clean water throughout your trip. The Platypus Quick Draw 1-liter filter system is a compelling option for any backpacker seeking clean drinking water on the trail with its customizable design, efficient filtration, and lightweight build. The Ignik Fire Can offers a convenient and portable campfire experience for campers, tailgaters, or anyone seeking ambience in their backyard. This propane-fueled fire pit boasts a rugged ammo can designed for easy transport and storage. Setting up is a breeze with foldable legs and a quick-connect hose that attaches to standard propane tanks. Mesh sides allow for good heat distribution and flame visibility, while an adjustable dial lets you control the fire's intensity. The Ignik Fire Can is also easy to transport thanks to its removable lid with handle and silicone side grips. While not as traditional as a wood fire, this fire pit provides a safe and practical alternative for enjoying a campfire almost anywhere. Okay, that was our list of 8 coolest camping gear and gadgets for your next camping trip. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And share this video if you find it helpful.